When you're working on your tile project, it's the little details that really make a big difference. Taking the time to plan those finishing touches will help you create a look that's both elegant and timeless. TrimMaster tile profiles offer the perfect mix of style and function, giving you the flexibility to choose a finish that highlights your space. Whether you're going for a fresh, modern vibe or something more traditional, no matter the style, your project isn't truly complete without a tile trim from TrimMaster. When picking out your TrimMaster tile trim, the first thing you'll want to think about is the thickness of the tile you're working with. TrimMaster offers trims in a variety of sizes to match just about any tile thickness. The top of the trim should sit flush with the tile to protect the tile edges without creating a trip hazard or wear surface. It's important to choose a trim based on both function and style. The bullnose and square profiles are great for a more decorative edge. The bullnose has a soft, rounded look, while the square gives you a more modern, angular corner. If you're looking for something minimal, the L-shaped profile has a subtle reveal and is perfect for outside corners on walls or for transitions to carpet or carpet tile on the floor. The reducer profile is ideal for transitioning from floor tile to a lower adjacent surface. And if you need a clean transition between two hard surfaces of the same height, the T profile is your best bet. TrimMaster profiles come in a myriad of attractive colors, designed to complement any decor seamlessly. Opt for a coordinating color that harmonizes with your tile or fixtures for a cohesive look, or choose a contrasting hue to create a bold and striking accent. Installing your profile is quick and simple. Measure the length of the edge you need to cover and cut your trim using a miter saw, bandsaw, angle grinder, or hacksaw. Perform a dry fit to ensure the trim is the proper length. Gently file any rough edges on your custom cut if necessary. Trowel thin-set mortar at the edge where your profile will be installed. Firmly press your TrimMaster trim into the thin-set mortar until it fills the circle perforations on the anchoring leg. Trowel additional thin-set mortar on the top of the anchoring leg, completely encasing it in thin-set mortar to set your starting row of tiles. When you butt your tile up against our patented straight-edge grout line feature, it effortlessly creates a consistent space between the tile trim and tile. This design element eliminates the need for spacers, saving time and money. Next, finish installing the rest of your tile and apply grout throughout your project. Once you've applied your grout, immediately wipe off the excess from your tile and profile reveal with a damp sponge to prevent any chemical reaction or discoloration of your newly installed tile trim. TrimMaster, your perfect finishing touch.